Quickly go over to Indrajit Kandu joining us for more details. Indrajit, do bring us information with regards to the aerial survey. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Mamata Banerjee and the Governor as well have now set off to take a look, evaluate the situation across the worst hit areas of West Bengal. The damage is severe.
Well, that's right. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has, of course, landed at the Kolkata airport. He is, of course, being accompanied by Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, West Bengal Governor Jagdeep Dhankar, and a host of BJP central ministers, union ministers. They've all set off. They've all set off for North 24 Pargana towards the area of Basirhat, and they will take an aerial survey of some of the worst affected areas. As we have been stating, the cyclone did pass through South Bengal, which includes South and North 24 Pargana districts, which is adjoining Kolkata, and of course Kolkata itself. Districts like Howrah on the other side of the Hooghly River and Hooghly district. These are the worst affected areas. What Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee just a short while mentioned is that communication remains the biggest challenge at this point, because even in Kolkata right now, telephone networks are down. Mobile phone connectivity is not very consistent at this point in time. Mobile data is also not available in some pockets. There are issues with electricity connections as well. So therefore, if this happens in Kolkata and adjoining areas, you can really imagine the kind of situation that is prevailing in the rural areas, in far-flung areas like Sundarbans, which is right at the Bay of Bengal border. And in these places, they are completely cut off right now. There is no electricity, there is no connectivity. The state administration is finding it very difficult to reach out to district administrations, DMs and SPs of these areas in order to conduct rescue and relief operation. And therefore, the government has sought assistance from the central government, the union government, and Mamata Banerjee and the Prime Minister will take a first-hand look of the situation on the ground through this aerial survey, following which the state government expects that there will be some amount of financial assistance that will be announced by the Prime Minister, hopefully, and that will help the state, because Mamata Banerjee maintains that at this time of the COVID crisis, the state administration is already battling a pandemic. Last 2 months, there has been a lockdown, there has been no economic activity, revenues are nil at this point in time, and therefore the government coffers are empty. And to be able to deal with such a massive cyclone, a natural catastrophe, it will take some time to make an assessment of what is the kind of monetary loss that has taken place on the ground.
We're looking at the centre and the state coordinating on the same to ensure all efforts are pressed into relief and rescue operations. Keeping politics aside of this, we're looking at coordination between the two. Thank you very much for joining us.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.